My name's Nehemiah with Next Level Designs. Today we're going to take a look at adding a new product to your WooCommerce shop. Today, the product that we're going to add is considered as a simple product. What that means is there are no variances, such as like a small shirt, medium shirt, large shirt, etc. So in order to create a new product, what we're going to do is look on the left menu bar. You're going to see WooCommerce, and right beneath that, it's going to be products. And then you can either click add new or all products. In this case, we're just going to do add new since we know that we're going to be creating a new product and not needing to look at any that are already created. So click on add new. It's going to bring up all of the different stuff that you can fill out. So we're going to just do product name. Let's say, for instance, we're going to do not t-shirt, since that will probably have variances. My wife does a lot of coasters and that such, so let's use her as an example. So we're going to use a coaster. So coaster, here we're going to add a description. So this is a description. And then down here, you see it starts at simple product. There are a few other options that you can do, like variable product. That's, like I said, for t-shirts and such. That would allow you to do small, medium, large, etc. We're going to cover that in another video, so we're just going to keep that on simple product for now. And because this is a coaster and we will ship it out, it is not virtual and it is not downloadable. Those types of products is going to be covered later as well. So we're just going to scroll down just a little bit here. So under general, we're going to go ahead and add the price. Let's say it's going to be $20. And if we wanted to do a sale, we would put in the sale price, say $15. You can schedule it if you want to when the sale starts and when the sale ends. But for now, we're not going to add any kind of sale here. Here you will select if it is taxable. So you just say taxable. The shipping is the only thing that's taxable, but not the product, or none. So let's go ahead and just put none for the sake of this. And tax class, you can doesn't really matter since we put it on none. But the options are standard, reduced rate, and zero rate. After this is all configured, we're going to go down to inventory. Here you can put your SKU. So if you have any kind of organization to your business to where you like to have product identifiers, you can put it in here. Some people use numbers, some people use just like the product name. So it's really whatever you want. For this instance, we're just going to put coaster. And now, if you want to manage stock, you have to select this option. So put a check in there. And now it's going to ask stock quantity. So here you're going to put how many that you have. Let's say we have 20 in stock. So we're going to put 20. And then allow back orders. So once you get out of stock, this is to where you allow people to order it and then notify them, or just allow them to order it but don't notify them. For this, we're just going to keep it do not allow. And then here is going to be a low stock threshold. What that's going to do is if you get down to 2, it's going to say low stock, or 2 items or 2 coasters remaining in stock. So that's nice to kind of give your customer a little incentive to buy, because they don't want to miss out by you going out of stock, that is. And then sold individually, what this is for is if you want them to only buy 1 coaster per order, you would go ahead and select this. Once all of this is set up, you go down to shipping. This is really important for calculating your shipping costs. You want to put your weight. You can either do it in ounces, pounds, or whatever you want to do it at. Right now, the settings are set to ounces. So let's just say the coaster is 12 ounces. So we'll just put 12. Here we'll put the dimensions. We'll say this coaster is 4 in length, 4 by width, and let's say 1 inch in height. Yeah, height. So moving on, shipping class. Right now we don't have any shipping classes created, but that's where we would select this. What shipping classes are for is, say for instance, you are shipping a lot of different kind of weights. You can do like a lightweight class, a medium light class, a bulky weight class, and that will automatically change your shipping prices if you ship by weight class. Now, linked products, this is really great. So when you go to your coaster product, if you have other coasters or things that go really well with the coaster, you can link them here with your upsales so that when they're visiting that one, beneath all the product information, there's going to be an upsell location at the bottom to where you can feature these products, and you can add, 3 products, 4 products, however many products you really want down there in the upsell section. And cross sale is a similar thing. Attributes, this is if you're going to use variances, so we're going to skip this for now. And then advanced, if you want to do a purchase note with this particular product, you can go ahead and enter that here. And enable reviews, if you want people who have purchased your product to leave a review, leave this checked, otherwise unselect it. And then get more options, that's just going to be some extensions that they recommend to add functionality to your products in your WooCommerce shop. So that's pretty much all there is to it. Down here, I forgot this part for a moment, but product short description. So what this is going to be is it'll be a little short description that will show right next to your pictures. So for instance, you can add a couple bullets here. Coaster is handmade. Size is, oops, what is this? The coaster. Grammarly's fixing my grammar. That's a great little extension here that I use to make sure that I'm not putting any typos out there. So coaster is handmade, and size is, I think we said 4 by 4 by 1. And let's say that we want people to know that we ship only to the US. So that's all you would do. And then we're going to go over here and click Publish. And you see these product categories here. Those are my categories from my main site, but we'll clear those out and show you how to add new categories in a later video. So to add a category for a coaster, what we're going to do is just say coasters, I guess. Add new category, and now that is going to be classified under your coasters category. Update. Preview changes. And now here is a preview of your product that is created. As you can see, there's not much design here since this is a bare bones framework of your WooCommerce and website. It's not fully designed. Obviously, once you get your website, it'll be much more designed than this. This is just general information to help you understand how to set things up. Now, there's no picture since we didn't add one, so if we want to add one, let's go back over here. And then if you scroll down, you'll see product image and product gallery. So if you click in product image, it'll bring up your media. So if you have an image that you want to add, you'll just drag it from your desktop or from a folder, wherever it is, just drop it in here, and then you'll be able to select it. All right, and then that is all for adding a simple product. We will look at a few other options of how to add products such as variants and virtual downloadable products here in the future. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'd love to help you out if I can.